Figuring out the best beard trimmer for your particular facial hair situation is a personal journey, because great beards come in many shapes and sizes. There's the perfect stubble, of course, or a beard that's artfully shaped and styled. But even if you opt to grow a long beard, you will still need to know how to trim it as it grows. And for all of those situations, for basically anything besides a close shave, you need a good beard trimmer. So, here's what we know about the beard trimmers in 2023. Shopping with Promarkit Us. Let's start with our top picks. Number 5. Prytech Beard Trimmer. The Prytech Hair Trimmer is a 6-in-1 grooming kit that satisfies all your daily trimming needs. The machine is waterproof, allowing for wet or dry use with foam. The LED display shows the remaining power and reminds you to charge. The powerful, low-noise motor and sharp stainless steel blades are safe for the whole family. The package includes 6 trimmer heads, 5 guide combs, cleaning brush, oil for blade, USB cable, storage dock, and instructions. Number 4. SUPRENT Adjustable Beard Trimmer. The SUPRENT Adjustable Beard Trimmer offers 19 precision length settings in 0.5 mm steps, delivering ultimate control and precision on all beard lengths. The powerful 3.6 volts DC motor and ultra-sharp 211 stainless steel blade ensure clean and fast trimming. The trimmer is equipped with an LED charging and low battery indicator, and has a high-capacity lithium battery that offers up to 90 minutes of runtime from a full charge in just 1.5 hours. SUPRENT also provides a 12-month warranty for this product. Number 3. Brightup Beard Trimmer for Men. The Brightup 18-piece beard grooming kit is a multifunctional grooming kit designed for precision shaving. It includes 6 trimmer heads, 5 hair trimmer combs, and a stand base for easy organization. The blades are self-sharpening and have a precision gap for close trimming. It is 100% whole body washable, and the built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime per charge. The ergonomic design features a child safety lock and travel lock for portability. It also has 2 speed modes and low noise for a pleasant grooming experience. Number 2. SUPRENT Professional Beard Trimmer. The SUPRENT Professional Beard Trimmer offers a sharp and premium blade that uses a powerful 7000 RPM motor with self-grinding blades for precise cuts without pulling your hair. With 57 cutting precise lengths, it comes with 3 guards for different beard length trimming, and a powerful motor that has less than 68 decibels for a comfortable experience. The large-capacity lithium battery can be used continuously for about 60 minutes after charging for 1.5 hours. Perfect as a gift for your husband, fiancé, or boyfriend. Number 1. Ufree Adjustable Beard Trimmer. The Ufree Cordless Beard Trimmer is a professional grooming kit for men that comes with 2 guide combs, providing 20 precision length settings from 1 to 20 mm. It is waterproof, easy to clean, and has a self-sharpening blade that trims fast and safe. With a high-capacity battery, it can be fully charged in 2 hours and lasts up to 80 minutes. The powerful motor ensures efficient haircutting in a low-noise environment.